In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in ESPN. If you've been getting pop-ups from ESPN and Google Chrome and want a quieter browsing experience, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to change, without affecting your ability to visit the site or check scores when you want. Start by opening Google Chrome and heading into its settings. The easiest way is to click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window and choose Settings from the menu. This takes you to Chrome's Control Center, where you can manage privacy, permissions, and site behavior. On the left-hand side of the settings page, select Privacy and Security. This area governs what sites can access and how they interact with your browser. Next, click Site Settings. Think of Site Settings as the place where you decide what individual websites are allowed to do, like using your camera, your location, or, in our case, sending notifications. Inside Site Settings, look for Notifications and click it. This page shows which sites are allowed to send you notifications and which are blocked. If ESPN has been sending alerts, it should appear here, usually listed as ESPN.com. You might see it under the Allowed section if it's currently permitted, or under a general list if Chrome is showing all sites with specific preferences. Find ESPN in the list and click it to open its specific permission settings. Here, you'll see the notification control for that site. Change the setting to block. In many versions of Chrome, this appears as a drop-down or a radio button that lets you choose between Allow and Block. Select Block, and you're done. From this point on, ESPN won't be able to push new notifications through Chrome, and you won't see prompts asking to allow them either. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind. Blocking notifications here only affects push notifications in Chrome. It doesn't unsubscribe you from any emails you may have signed up for on ESPN. Also, if you use multiple Chrome profiles or different browsers, this change applies only to the profile and browser where you made it. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same place and switch the setting back to allow. That's all you need. By adjusting this one site permission, you keep your browser focused and your attention where you want it. Thanks for watching and enjoy a quieter, distraction-free browsing experience.